Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up OANDA in your MetaTrader 4. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. OANDA is a broker account that is developed in USA. To set up it, all you gotta do is click on this triple browser and search for oanda.com. After you redirect to the OANDA page, all you gotta do is sign in to your login credentials. After that, you can connect with your MetaTrader 4. That's how you can set up your OANDA in your MetaTrader 4. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.